We have a 2004 Pontiac GTO. The concern is that the vehicles will not start, will not crank. So we turn the key to on position. We have no lights. So I already checked the main fuse. The main fuse is good, which is under the hood. So we're gonna keep going with the fuses inside here. I'm gonna check the fuses. Let's see. We got I'm gonna check the fuses. It says ignition right here. Okay, we have this one right here. One. And by the way, we don't have power windows, power locks. So we already checked those fuses right here. See, this is good. This is good. This is good. Good. This turns with the key on, but right now it's not, since it's got no use, so they're not gonna come on. We have the check the ignition one, which is this one, 7.5. See, one side lights up, the other side is not lighting up, so that means we have a problem with the ignition. Okay, so take it off, and if it's blowing, that means it blew because it's shorted somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna put a light bulb because I don't want to use. I don't want to blow that many fuses. So as you can see, if I turn my light off, you see how dim it is? Okay, I want to try to crank it. When I crank it, see how bright it is? That means there is a short to ground. It should not light up that bright. That's why it's blowing my fuse. Since I checked already the ignition switch, with the wiring right here, the purple wire. Was directed by my wiring diagram. This is the fuse right here. So from here, from the fuse going down to the ignition switch, if I put another fuse, I want to show you in a little bit. If I put another fuse, and like right now, you can tell with the key on, my light is dim. It's supposed to be dim because there is no ground, because since I don't have another fuse right now. But it blows only when I do it in the wrong position, the start position. So The problem is on these wires. There's a purple wire from here to the start position. Start position is right here, which is the purple wire going to the start relay, and then from the start relay, which is this one right here, it goes down to the starter. This is the purple wire right here going to the starter. But this relay I already took it off, so the problem is between the ignition switch to the relay. Okay. If I put down my steering wheel, if I move it, move it down, crank it, see, I'm cranking it, and my light's still dim. Let me help myself with my knee. If I put it up and crank it, you see how bright it is. Lower down, crank it, nothing. So what does it mean? It means the wire is getting pinched somewhere over here. So if I take my my light off, put a fuse, regular fuse. I put a 10, it is supposed to be a 7.5. I don't have 7.5 right here on my right next to me, so I'm gonna use that one temporary just to show you. There you go. See? Lights start running. So I gotta change the wire inside the steering column. Somewhere is getting pinched. Well, as I was telling you, I already took the panels off from the bottom of the steering column, the top one, and I just connect a couple of connectors so I can get more access by the wire. I'm gonna go underneath here. Okay. You see this wire right here, the whole bunch of wires. Look, observe the movement. See, when it goes up, it touches. It's hard for me to do it by myself, but I'm trying. See, touching. When you release it down, it doesn't touch. So this part right here is touching the metal, causing the short to ground. Let me see if I can twist it. Right there, see the wire? Right there, the purple one. See it? Right there. This part right here was touching ground over here. Actually on this side. Because it was like this. See, right here. Okay, that was the problem. We just gotta see if the wire's still good. We just put some more tape, and probably we're gonna have to put like a little hose over here so it doesn't when it rubs, doesn't rub up against the metal. So otherwise we just tape it up, and like I said, put something over here or a piece of plastic here so it doesn't touch the metal. Okay, solved problem. Thank you for watching, and give a like if it helps you. Thank you.